दूसरा विषय जो इंटरनेशनल बच्चों में काफी बातचीत होती है, अभी भारत में बातचीत होती है अबाउट द LGBTQIA+ कम्युनिटी। तो ये विषय पे आपने कई बार बोला है एंड यू हैव स्पोकन एंड यू हैव सेड दैट everybody is a part of the same community and we should treat everyone in the same manner. But sir, my question then to you in this is कि same sex marriage जो है अब तक वो लीगलाइज नहीं किया गया है एंड संघ की विचारधारा इस पे और जेन जी और जेन अल्फा में ये काफी बात होती है। उसके लिए मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ दैट व्हाई इज द RSS स्टेटिंग दैट सेम सेक्स मैरिज शुड बी डिसअलाउड?
तो सेम, डिड आई एवर से सेम मैनर?
सॉरी सर,
डिड आई एवर से सेम मैनर?
नो सर,
नो
नो।
LGBT or whatever, they are all part of the society
Thank you.
which we belong to. And in our society, there is a tradition of accommodating. There were systems. Now, marriage is not in our tradition, vivaha. That is not a convenience created so that two people should live together. It is an institution which is created by marriage, family. Family is unit of society. And next generations are trained in kutumba or family to be good citizens of that country. So training of next generation by their relations, mata, pita, all these things. That is also an ancient system running. Now we have to have some system first. The existing system if we disturb and new systems we don't have, that will create a conflict. Secondly, we cannot mix these things. We have to prepare the society first, because laws don't dictate society. Society dictates the laws. है ना? So we have to educate the society first. That stage is not there. And at this stage, if we tamper with the vivaha system, that will create some other side effects. So instead of that, prepare a system which can accommodate all these people. They are part of the society and it should be seen to accordingly. That is definite. But manner can change. Manner has to change. This situation, we have to have these special measures. That is why same-sex marriage don't say that. How these same-sex companions can live together, you have to devise some system. You can form a law for that. Society will accept that.
How lovely, how lovely, how lovely. So same-sex companionship, उसके बारे में विमर्श और विचार करना चाहिए and eventually उस पे कोई law pass करना चाहिए कि that becomes acceptable in society. I am so glad.
Not only that,
yes,
that will continue the smooth running of the society in future also. That type.
For Gen Z and Gen Alpha and the many conversations that we have about this government having progressive and sometimes not so progressive views and have people from the same ideology having such views, I am so glad that you made this statement, clarified it, yes, and you said this. Sir, और एक विषय है महिला के बारे में and you have stated saying that men must step back and empower women to lead. And I quote you in this word to word, आपने ये बताया है. According to you, what is the role of Indian women in society today?
Role of women in not only Bharatiya society, everywhere in the world, we take it that it is equal and complementary to each other. So they have to be trained in capacities as we train men in capacities. So everything they can do. and everything they should be trained for. और क्या पूछना है? That role is there.
और सर इसमें ये पूछना है सर, the RSS truly believes that women are equal partners in nation building, but sir then why does the core organization of the RSS remain intrinsically male, and why is the solution?
Okay.
Guys, this is a samvad, this is not a vivad.
No, it's okay.
This is samvad.
You are asking questions from their mind. That is why they are clapping.
सर ये भी क्लैरिफाई कर दूं, लोगों को लगेगा मेरे प्रश्न है, बाद में डांट भी मुझे पड़ेगी, श्रेय भी मुझे जाएगा, तो मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूं that these questions, the reason why they are clapping so much, have been crowdsourced from the students who are sitting here, not just sitting here, but from all the schools and colleges that we work with. So उसके लिए ताली ज्यादा बजा रहे हैं. But sir, ये यदि why is the solution always to keep women in a separate parallel wing rather than integrating them into the apex decision making body of the RSS?
So this question has been asked because you have incomplete information. In all the organizations that Swayamsevaks are running, women are shouldering responsibilities with men in equal capacities. Except RSS, there is a reason. When RSS started, if we had started the organization in women also, we wouldn't have thrived. That times were like this. This question would not have been asked at that time, because it was very natural to form separate organizations of women. Secondly, the organization that were formed by women for the same purpose, Rashtra Sevika Samiti, it had and it has and it will have full support from RSS, even training. But they have told us that we will work here, you don't interfere. You work there, we will not interfere. We will help each other. That mandate, when they will withdraw, we will start doing work in women also. But in apex body of RSS, Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha, all the women working in the public field, they are also invited in the process of decision making. They are there for full 3 days. So this information you should have, then this question will not arise.
So sometimes we need this kind of information from you.
Yes.
It is better that you give it than I give it.
That is why you ask questions and I answer them.
पर इसमें और एक चीज है सर कि आपने यदि बोला एंड जैसे लास्ट भी बोला था उसमें मैंने वापस क्लैरिफाई कर दिया था अबाउट LGBTQ. यदि if the women's wing of the RSS says that we don't need a women's wing anymore, then we will see one cohesive cohort that is between the RSS, that is the men and the women and everybody else equally and a part of the organization.
It is not a wing, it is separate autonomous organization.
Right.
If they say that okay, now RSS should also work, so we will start working in women.
Okay. Okay. Sir, सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरे ओर से. एक विषय है विच इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू एजुकेशन. एजुकेशन के बाद 24 की आयु के बाद स्टूडेंट्स एसेंशियली 21 के बाद दे लुक फॉर जॉब्स. भारत में देयर आर 1.6 बिलियन पीपल नाउ एंड देयर आर 40 करोड़ हु आर जेन जी सर. तो इसमें जाहिर सी बात है दैट इतने सारे यूथ के लिए जॉब्स एक साथ क्रिएट करना इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. बट एट द सेम पॉइंट इन टाइम इट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू दैट देयर इज अ 16% youth unemployment that is there in our country, sir. It is also true, sir, that young people are not finding jobs of their choice. It is true that there is an all-time income gap between the rich and the poor. Last time such kind of inequality happened was in 1922, where the top 1% now holds 40% of our national income, sir. So, sir, unemployment में भी काफी चर्चा होती है. What is your take on unemployment and what should Samaj do and what should Sarkar do about this?
Now, एक mindset हमको बदलना चाहिए. Employment is not only jobs. It is also entrepreneurship. It is also skilled work. लेकिन unfortunately अभी क्या है समाज में माइंडसेट ऐसा है कि हाथ से जो काम करता है उसको प्रतिष्ठा नहीं है। अब 4 लाख रुपया मेरे पास है, 4 लाख रुपए का चावल गेहूं किसान के पास है। मैं और वो किसान किसी ऑफिस में गए एक साथ, मेरे 4 लाख खाने से पेट नहीं भरता, उसका गेहूं चावल खा के मैं पेट भरता हूं, लेकिन मेरी इज्जत ज्यादा है, मेरे पास कैश है। उसके पास कैश जिसके लिए वो है उसकी इज्जत नहीं है। ये हमको, इसको कहते श्रम प्रतिष्ठा, डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर। वी हैव टू रीगेन दैट। वो नहीं है, और इसलिए एवरीबडी रन्स आफ्टर सम सर्विस जॉब, प्रेफरेबली गवर्नमेंट सर्विस, प्रेफरेबली इन हिज ओन डिस्ट्रिक्ट, preferably near his home office should be there, and everybody rushes at the same door and no one gets in, while there are fields where his workers are not available. I also see what we call menial jobs. Doing that, people have earned wealth. There are buildings, पान ठेला वाला, पंक्चर वाला, ऐसे लोग। एक बच्चा 8वीं में पढ़ाई छोड़ के होटल में काम कर रहा था। एक यूनिवर्सिटी के रजिस्ट्रार ने उसको पूछा, उसने कहा मुझे पढ़ना नहीं है लेकिन कमाना है, तो क्या करना चाहते हो? पान ठेला। तो उसने पान ठेला चलाया। वो उस समय 8वीं में था, अब तो जवान हो गया, शादी, लड़के बच्चे हो गए। 29 लाख की प्रॉपर्टी है उसकी, पान ठेला चलाते हुए। दैट रजिस्ट्रार ट्रेंड हिम फॉर 1 year टू रन ए पान ठेला। ऐसे है, ऐसी एक उदाहरण, उस रजिस्ट्रार ने 400 लोगों को तैयार किया है। ही इज इन महाराष्ट्र। ऐसे बहुत उदाहरण है सर्वत्र। तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप चाहिए, श्रम प्रतिष्ठा चाहिए। सब लोग जॉब्स में ही जाएंगे, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में ही जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। अच्छा लाइफ इससे मिल सकता है, लग्जरियस लाइफ मिलेगा इसकी गारंटी नहीं है। अब हमको बहुत पैसा चाहिए, आराम से चाहिए, परिश्रम नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा अगर हम सोचेंगे तो ये तो ऐसा होगा कि स्वर्ग में जगह चाहिए, अमृत पान चाहिए, रोज ये चाहिए और परिश्रम कुछ न करना पड़े। तो वो सपने तो सबके सफल नहीं होते। लेकिन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जा सकती है अगर हमने जॉब को ऊपर नीचे देखना छोड़ दिया। और हमने छोड़ दिया है, मैं जॉब के लिए प्रयास कर रहा हूं, मेरी सवाल नहीं है, सोसाइटी ने छोड़ना चाहिए। जो कमा रहा है उसकी प्रतिष्ठा है। हाथ से कमा रहा हो, जॉब में कमाता हो, सरकारी नौकरी में हो, प्राइवेट नौकरी में हो, अपना उद्योग चलाता हो, कुछ भी चलाता हो,